Okay, so to really capture the feel of this desert environment where we are at the moment, we really need to home in on the textures. We grab the big shapes, we put the colour on, we put the tone on. But I'm going to walk into scene now. Hopefully I won't fall over, so if I kind of disappear, you know what's happened, all right? So if you come with me now, down at the bottom here, we've got all these wonderful, wonderful rocks. Now, I love rocks because, as I said before in the intro, it gives us grounding, but look at the shape of them there. So you've got big ones, you've got jagged ones, you've got small ones. Okay, we've got lots and lots of kind of dead foliage as well down here. We've got one here, completely dead. We've got like part of an old swallow there, which has kind of fallen off. You can just make it out. Look at all the textures coming down as well, which is just beautiful. As we fall down here, got an old prickly pear, okay? Look at that as well. It's still showing the kind of the nature, the texture of it, but obviously it's a lot more decayed. It's become much more kind of soft and organic. But again, that's sitting at the bottom. We've got a branch there of a saguaro cactus as well, which has started to split up, which is lovely. And then as we go up, as we build up, we've got all those ridges and all those kind of rocks tumbling down as well, and that's going to kind of anchor the middle ground. So we talked before about squeezing the mid-ground. Well, a lot of those kind of contour lines that we can capture and those kind of sharp dark shadows in between the ridges are going to really help us to kind of anchor all of the elements that we can see. Now if we walk a little bit closer, I'd just like to look at this big saguaro here. As it comes down, you can see it's got a lot more kind of decayed, and you can see the ridge lines, those lines coming down. You kind of lose them a little bit and it all kind of just falls away down at the bottom. So all that texture down there is going to really help to give it weight, to help it to kind of sit within that space. We've got more kind of prickly pears just popping up all the time. And the great thing about a landscape is you're not measuring it against reality. You know, you're not kind of doing your own thing completely, but you're just getting information, you're getting inspiration, you're getting ideas from all over, really homing in on the different textures and putting them all together to create this wonderful tapestry of the place that you are in.